Oh, me? No, watch me, man. I'm just going to sweep the place. Hold on there. So there's supposed to be the recap there. But I celebrate, we celebrate. Well, let me catch my breath. Alright, I'm done here now. I'm done. No, I'm done. Alright, I'm done now. Let me get some water. I'm done now. Thanks so far to the pattern newsletter. Big up on yourself, you don't know. And today at the recap, and therefore the excitement with the run left them gang and beer things, people. I only pass up we have to chat about to them. I don't know how the recap I go, but the recap I go on. Make a deal with it. Alright, so I'm sweat wipe. Hold on, let me get my broom. Alright, the broom is here. People, clean, sweep. Shelly, aka Remy. Shericka, aka Bingo, and Elaine, fast like a jet plane. 1, 2, 3. I don't think we don't understand how special this is. That's how we broke bad. People, last year, them run 1, 2, 3 at the Olympics, you know. And them can do it again at the World Championship. Them think they're not easy, you know. You know how much country can barely find one runner to put in our heats. Much less to have 3 people in the final. And the 3 of them get a medal. 1, 2, 3. That's not easy. Shelly, aka Remy. Shericka, aka Bingo. And Elaine, jet plane, big up on yourself. No, my excitement, Buck. My excitement is Bukefe. So say excitement, me all chat forces. It's a day 3 recap. So we're running the recap. I don't know how far we're going to reach tonight because we're excited, but we're going to run the recap, alright? So Jail Hyde make it through to the 400 meter hurdles final. Big up yourself in a Jail. Frederick Dakers and Travis Michael, them in at the final to discuss. Big thing that people. Alright, so on to the 110 meter hurdles for the man them now. Answer Parchment, make it through to the final. Alright, finals time, you know. This is every single Jamaican reaction when we find out say Answer Parchment now go run the final because he's injured.
Almighty God, we need your divine intervention. We need it. Help. Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Mash up, I nearly mash up in the night. Because me sure say Hansle are going to beat the boy. Grant Holloway would have to go up on a holiday. And I look out into the ocean and I wonder how him lose. Because Hansle are going to whap him skin. Hansle, I know say you hurt, brother. Because I know you know what we know, what you know, what everybody else know. Say they get a beating, you know. Because the time when the man run, you run that in the semi-final Hansle. Quick recovery and them thing there. When I come back, just go and go wash off on a bath, you see me? Alright, now on to the 100 meter them now. And yes, so we say, alright, recovery now. Big up yourself, Kimber. We know you never make it, but we know it's the first time. Next time you're going to do better. We know that. But Shelly, Elaine and Shericka make it to the final. And people, you see, when we see the Jamaican them on the screen, and we see how them focus, we know say worries, you know. We know say there'll be another 1, 2, 3. And so said, so done. People, you see, we see Shelly do the mouth so. You're not catch her. And we know this from history. Say once Shelly do the mouth thing, you done, you know. But Shelly, big up yourself. You go on good. You make we feel good. Big up yourself, Shericka. Big up yourself, Elaine. The whole of only make we feel good. But I have a couple questions for ask. And I want to direct them questions to Mr. Andrew Honest. Mr. Honest, how much more 1, 2, 3 them are going to need for run before we get the holiday? And if you don't want to give me the holiday, give me a little break on the gas tax now so we can feel it in our pocket, so we can celebrate a little better with the woman them. But something have to go on in celebration of the woman them. The achievement here is not an easy one. We want something to do something for we. Beg you please. But yeah, just to make you know say today, them supposed to run the 200 meter heats for the man them and the woman them. So no go and look out for that. But you don't know no people a celebration are going on. So be a celebration over your side. If you don't want that t-shirt here, the Run Left Them Gang t-shirt. The link is in the description. You can add the drip. You know say the drip is nice. Add the drip. So we can celebrate the Run Left Them Gang. But you don't know say the pattern is a Turk, you know. Baddest news a Turk on the planet. We so forward again.